Hi guys, welcome to the Pepcoding. In this video, we are going to solve furthest building you can reach. So let's see what this question is. In this question, we have given an array, and then there are some bricks and there are some ladders. Now the element of the array shows the height of the buildings. These are the height of the buildings. Now if we are at zeroth index, that is fourth building, if we jump to the next building, if the building is smaller in height, we don't need to give any cost to jump there. Now we are at 2. Next building is 7, having height 7. So this means we need to pay something to reach at next building which have height 7. So the difference between these two buildings are, this is of height 7, this is of height 2. The difference are 7 minus 2, that is 5. So we need 5 bricks to reach that building, or we can use one ladder where we have given bricks in this we have bricks 5 and the ladder is 1. And if we want to go to the next building, we need to give some cost, whether it is brick or ladder. Here if we give bricks, that is 5 bricks it needs. So this will be 1 2 3 4 5 4 and 5. So if it use 5 bricks, it can go from here to this building 7. Now the next building having, here if we see the difference is 6 minus 7, that is minus 1. This means it does not need to give any cost to reach at 6, so it can jump directly to the 6. Now if we want to go to the next building, here the next building having height 9, so 9 minus 6, that is 3. So it should give 3 bricks to reach at 9, where we have used 5 bricks. So this means this brick is now 0. Now we have only a ladder, so we need a ladder. Here we can use a ladder to reach there. If we use one ladder, it will decrease also the count of ladder, where the height of ladder is infinity to reach to the next building. So now this will go from here. Let me remove this. This will go from building 6 to 9. And now if you want to go to the next building, having, here we can see the height is 12. So 12 minus 9, that is it needs 3 bricks or one ladder. We can use one ladder, but we don't have any bricks or ladder. So this means we have to return the index where we are now. We need to return this 4. We are at the building of index 4 having height 9. So in this question, we need to check for every condition to go for the next building. We need to check we should use brick or ladder to reach at the till the how many maximum building this man can go. So in this question, we are going to use min heap priority queue. Here in the priority queue, we will save the differences of the two buildings. If we are at 4, we will see the difference. Here the difference between these two buildings are 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. So the difference is minus 2. This means we don't need to give any cost, and this man can jump directly to the next building. Now again for the next this is 7 minus 2, that is 5. So this difference is greater than 0. This means we need to pay 5 number of bricks or ladders. So which one we should use? Here, if we use ladder for the maximum differences, we can go to the maximum number of buildings, farthest building. So here we will add it in our priority queue. This means we are using it for ladder. So we are using it for ladder. Now this will be from this to 7 now. Now it will check again, the difference is -1. It can go directly to the next building without adding in the priority queue. Now the difference is 9 minus 6, that is 3. So this time it will add this brick here, this difference here. So the maximum differences will be used for the ladders. We have one ladder. So if the size of the priority queue is greater than the ladder, this means we need to pop the element. If we will remove the element, if we remove that, we will get the smallest difference first. So the smallest difference is 3. Now we will use it by giving the bricks. So here bricks will be 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. So here it will use 3 bricks, 1, 2 and 3. Now it will go from here to 9. Now it have only 2 bricks left. Now the next difference is 12 minus 9, that is 3. Again we will push 3 in the priority queue. Again the size of the priority queue is greater than ladder. So again we will remove the first element, the peak element of the priority queue. Now this time brick will be 2 minus 3, that is -1. This means we don't have enough bricks to reach to the next building. So if the brick is less than 0, this means we need to return that index. This index will show the building the man is standing. So we are going to use the priority queue for solving this question. So let's code this. Here we will use priority queue of integer type. New priority queue. Now we need to traverse to the array from 0 to heights dot length I is less than heights dot length -1 till the second last, because we need to compare the differences. If we are at 4, we need to compare the difference from the I plus 1 index. So 2 minus 4 is equal to -2. So we will check for the differences. This is I plus plus. Now here we will find the difference. Difference DIFF difference. Heights at I plus 1 minus height at I. If the difference is greater than 0, this means we need to pay some cost. So we will add it in our queue. After that we need to check if the priority queue size is greater than the ladder. We have ladders. If it is greater than ladder, this means we need to pop the element, the smallest element in the priority queue, and subtract the bricks by removed element. remove the element. Now if there is a condition when bricks is less than 0, this means we need to return that index. At last, if we have enough bricks and ladders to reach to the end building, we need to return the heights dot length minus 1. So this is the code. Let's run this. Now let's submit this. So all the test cases are passed. So this question was very interesting question. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.